Hey guys, I'm gonna be showing you how I will make a car cover. So for this MG5, so this is the first step. Put the first fabric on top. Yeah, it's draping. It's about right there. So the next thing to do is to measure the length of the fabric. We'll go through here up to here. For some allowance, I measured about 5 meters. So using books so that they don't slide down, adjust it to the level you want. There, and also here. So we need to transfer this underneath and using tape fix it like that. This side is done. Using a tailor's chalk, we're going to mark where the edge is gonna be. So I have already marked them, and I made some checkpoints there. So all the way there. So this side is done. Now we're gonna do the other side. So I drew a parallel line. This is where I will actually sew like that. And then I'll cut maybe somewhere here and sew there. So I'll do that for the entire length. Something like that. Sorry, I don't have a cameraman. So I do it myself. Yeah. So I'll finish this until the entire length, and also for that one there. All right. Sorry guys. Do I look like an expert? Expert of nothing. Oh no. I think I made the worst. That's okay. One side done. All right. This is half done. It's not too bad, I think. So the left will be right, the right will be left, because you have to reverse them. But yeah, they're a mirror of each other anyway, so it should be fine. Now I have to do the other side. I'm putting a garter. This is the front and the back, so that it will be a bit tight. I place garter also on the other side. And there. It's hugging the rear. Yeah, it's good. In here, I think I need to put more garter somewhere here, so that it will hug in here as well. So yeah, I think that looks good. And so there's the final product. I also made one for the motorbike. And here, yeah. So yeah, thank you guys. Hope this helps you and gives you idea. So this one cost me like 500 pesos. Yeah, the entire thing. Yeah, plus labor of love. Thank you. There, one final touch and it's all done. And perfect. Yeah, so it's best to have two colors, and like this one it's difficult to find where the front and the back is, so at least this one it's a bit easy. Yeah, I think I need to put something to make it distinguish which front is and which one is back. But that's a good idea. Thank you.